Hello, my name is Lonnie and welcome to my channel. So as for today, we will going to read and answer the given items below. So in these questions, we will assign by our professor that we will be going to have this project in which I will be going to develop my internet skills in evaluating the commercial services for hosting an e-commerce site for a small startup company. So I would if I would like to set up a website to sell towels, linens, pottery, and tableware from Portugal, and I will be also examining these services for hosting this small business internet storefront. So my website should be able to take secure credit card payments and calculate the shipping cost and taxes. So initially, I would like to display these photos and descriptions by 40 products in the websites that I will be going to examine are the website of the Wix, GoDaddy, and iPage. And I will compare the range of e-commerce hosting services which they will offer to the small businesses, their capabilities, and their costs. To examine the tools they provide for creating an e-commerce site. And lastly, I will compare these services and decide which I would like to use in in making or actually establishing a web store. Lastly, again, I will write the brief report indicating of my choice and explaining the strengths and weaknesses of each service. So we would be hosting an e-commerce site for a small startup, which means that being low cost in one is one of the prime business objectives. Okay, so the following service providers will be considered to make a comparative study. Yahoo, this would be the GoDaddy, the iPage, and the Wix. So we are going to evaluate each option based on these parameters. So the first we will going to um to illustrate its cost, okay, and then the value provided and the relative is. So first, we will going to discuss the comparison of the prices. So as you have seen in our screen, we have here the three column, the iPage page, the Wix page, and the GoDaddy page. So in the first column, we have here seen the comparison of the prices that it says that the iPage product cost um in per month it will size fits plan one size fits all plan, and it costs only for it costs by 49 by $47.99. So the weeks per month naman is we have here the three, the basic, advanced, and the premium. So they offered here in basic total cost is $2.59. The advance here is $3.89, and the last one, if you purchase the premium account, we will have the cost price is $4.89. So in the GoDaddy product cost naman per month, we have here the plan which will be going to choose is the starter renewal costing $1.38 plus the $2.77 per renewal. So we have here also the economy. In economy, the prices per cost per month is $2.77 plus the $6.95 dollar per renewal. The another one is the deluxe renewal. So we have here the cost price of $4.16 and $8.34 per renewal. So lastly, we have here the ultimate renewal in which the cost price is $6.95 and plus the 13.92 per renewal. So we have here the services offered by the Wix service providers. We have here the 100 gigabytes of disk space, 100 gigabytes of MO data transfer, one domain plus 100 subdomains, the 10 sites pages, 250 email addresses, mobile ready sites, design tools, access account for colleagues, friends, the 30 satisfaction guarantee, the 24/7 phone, chat, and online support, and the free SSL certificate. While the GoDaddy service provider, it is only the one page, one website, 30 uh, gigabyte storage, the unmetered bandwidth. On the iPage service provider naman, the services offered here is that the unlimited the disk space. We have also the scalable bandwidth, the unlimited domain names allowed. Okay, so the unlimited MySQL databases, the free SQL certificate, the free domain for 1 year iPage website builder for 6 pages, the mobile optimized site builder, the WordPress in state that one click per installer. Next is the hundreds of templates and themes. Next is the easy to use setup wizard. The next is the management systems, and we have here and so on and so forth. Okay, so ito yung mga differences na mag-provide ng tatlong page. And as you would see, you can see you can see here the differences among the three. So the other one here, the continuation, we have here the unmettered, the award-winning support, and so on and so forth. It, these three websites has many service provider in which we are able to choose on what website we are we want to use if we will going to make a website, especially in our e-commerce. Okay, so next category we have here the relative ease. So in relative ease, we have here the Wix service provided states here that it is medium. Next is the Go services provided, which is low, and the iPage services provided, which is high. Okay, so the tools that each of them provide for creation of in e-commerce site. So for the Wix Merchant Solutions and Wix Stores offers everything that is required to build, to host, to expand, to manage, and to promote the online store. So the maintenance and management of the store can be done with the help of non-programmers in the Wix Merchant Solutions, online tools like Store Manager, the Store Editor, and the Catalog Manager. And these facilities will also help in building back applications like CGI scripts and XML to the stores. So for GoDaddy naman, the GoDaddy websites helps in designing the new online stores which matches our industry and interests. It can create an online store that can add up to 1,500 products, and also it helps in managing the inventory. The website is designed in such a manner that it encourages online payments, okay, through debit and credit cards, and also money being automatically transferred to the account after the sales. It also has an abandoned cart recovery features which sends intimation to the customers to complete the purchase. On the other hand, the iPage, um, the iPage site offers the tools in which provide the creation of the e-commerce sites are the following. So first we have here that the shop site application. So this helps in promoting and processing the orders online, and it also helps in integrating payments through PayPal and Google and etc. So second here we have here the SSL certificate. So this is offered for a more secure website, and this is useful when a small amount is paid. The payments and the personal data of the customers can be saved. And last but not the least, the DOBA. So this is a very easy management of products, control, and inventory. It also helps in assessing more number of products through wide range of supplier. So we are now in the strengths and weaknesses of each services. So for the weeks, we have here the strengths of the following. So first, we have here the unlimited products listings and storage space and bandwidth. We have also the free domain, the live insights activity monitoring, the PayPal support, the live chat with the customers in 24/7 online support. And lastly, we have here the bulk import and export of the products. The weakness of the Wix, we have here the 1% transaction fee and no of a number of email accounts restricted up to only 30. So the GoDaddy website naman, we have here the strengths of first, we have here the online payment through credit cards like PayPal and etc. Second, we have here the mobile friendly and smartphone and laptop compatibility. Also, we have here the free hosting, the unlimited bandwidth, and it enables the client to access our calendar with appointments through online. The weakness of the GoDaddy is that there is a monthly charge of its and it is a bit higher. Actually, there is no point of weakness under GoDaddy. Okay, so lastly, the iPage strength and weaknesses. Belong to the strengths of the iPage website. We have here the product sourcing simplified, the standard shared hosting, the 24/7 online chat, and the support on all plans, the enhanced security suite, the works with PayPal for online services. And lastly, we have here the weakness. So the weakness, we have here the monthly charge of 47.99, which is considered to be expensive when compared to the GoDaddy. Okay, so it has a limited bandwidth and a disk space and a RAM. So the service that I would like to use after I summarize this activity, I would go to GoDaddy. This is because it has many features and advantages for the business people to establish online store. So this cost is also considered to be economical when compared to other two options. So it is also other benefits like mobile phones, access, shipping benefits, free hosting, and etc. So that could be all, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.